Today, we're talking about something super fascinating but often overlooked: the umbilical cord. This little lifeline is working overtime to keep your baby growing and thriving inside of your belly. So, grab a comfy seat, maybe even a snack, and let's dive into some amazing facts about the umbilical cord that'll make you appreciate it even more. Hey mama, I'm Stephanie Poole, your favorite doula and lactation consultant. I'm here to guide you through all things pregnancy, birth, and breastfeeding. And if you're new here, comment below where you're watching from. Be sure to turn on notifications because I've got weekly tips and advice to help you rock pregnancy and postpartum. Let's do this. Okay, first things first, what is the umbilical cord? Well, it's basically your body's personal supply chain. The umbilical cord connects your baby to the placenta, which is attached to your uterus. Through it, your baby gets all the good stuff. Things like oxygen and nutrients and even antibodies to help their immune system. And get this, it's not just a simple tube. It's made up of two arteries and a vein, all wrapped up in this jelly-like substance called Wharton's jelly. Now, this jelly keeps the cord squishy and protected. Think of it like nature's little cushion for your baby's lifeline. Okay, here's where it gets cool. The vein in the cord delivers oxygen-rich blood and nutrients from the placenta to your baby. And then the arteries carry waste products like carbon dioxide back to the placenta, where your body takes care of them. So basically, the umbilical cord is like DoorDash. Well, DoorDash and a garbage truck all in one. It keeps the good stuff flowing in and the waste flowing out. Now, let's get to the fun part. Some amazing facts that'll make you say, wow. It's the ultimate multitasker. The cord isn't just about nutrients and oxygen. It also helps to regulate your baby's temperature by ensuring their blood stays warm. It grows fast. At its peak, the umbilical cord is about 20 inches long enough to let your baby move freely, but not so long that it gets tangled. Well, at least most of the time. It's a one-time wonder. Once your baby is born and the cord is cut, it doesn't grow back. So you might be wondering, well, what happens to the remnants? They become your baby's adorable belly button. Delayed cord clamping is a game changer. Did you know that waiting a couple of minutes before clamping the cord after birth can give your baby extra blood and iron? Talk about starting life with a boost. It's unique to your baby. Every cord has a different pattern of twists and spirals, kind of like a fingerprint. How amazing is that? Once your baby is born, the cord stops pulsing, which means it's no longer needed. Your healthcare provider will clamp it and cut it. Don't worry, it doesn't hurt your baby at all. But here's something to think about. Some families choose to save the cord blood, which is full of stem cells that can be used for medical treatments in the future. It's definitely worth talking with your provider about this option if it's something you're interested in. The umbilical cord might seem like just another part of pregnancy, but it's so much more. It's literally the bridge that connects you to your baby, helping them grow and thrive and get ready to meet you. So next time you feel those little kicks or hiccups, just think your baby is getting everything they need thanks to this incredible cord. Isn't pregnancy amazing? If you're loving these pregnancy deep dives, make sure to like this video and share it with your pregnant besties. And if you're ready to feel totally prepared for birth and breastfeeding, don't forget to check out my Bump to Bundle Blueprint. It's the ultimate guide to help you birth like a boss. Drop a comment below and let me know what's something about pregnancy that's totally amazed you so far. I'd love to hear your thoughts and to keep the conversation going. Remember, you've got this, mama. Keep growing that little miracle, and I'll see you next time for even more pregnancy tips and fun facts. Bye for now.